how to set up your microphone with your Windows 10. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up your microphone with your Windows 10 on PC. So all what you have to do after you set up your microphone on your PC, go down here, click on the start button and click here on click here on this search and search for sound and click on sound settings. It will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is click here on choose your input device and choose your device from here, or you can came here sound control panel and click on recording, and here is my microphone. All what you have to do, for example, if this is your microphone, click on your right mouse and choose enable right here. It's very easy, and after you finish, click apply and OK. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.